What's the meaning of breathing space? Breathing space. Breathing space.
Breathing space. Breathing space. The term breathing space refers to a period of time where one can relax or take a break from stressful or overwhelming situations. This time allows individuals to regroup, reassess and recharge, giving them a chance to think clearly before moving forward. It may also refer to physical space or room to move around freely. Overall, having a breathing space can help individuals to stay mentally and emotionally healthy, improve decision-making abilities, and prevent burnout.